Welcome to our video on exercise and weight loss. Let's explore the myths and tips to achieve your goals. Exercise alone may not lead to weight loss. A healthy diet is essential for success. Choose an exercise you enjoy and stick to it. Consistency is key for weight loss. Mix up your exercise routine to challenge your body and avoid plateaus. Strength training is crucial for weight loss. Building muscle helps burn fat and boost metabolism. Sleep and stress levels can impact weight loss. Prioritize self-care to support your goals. Visit our website for more tips and resources.